Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'll be talking about strategy you can use to change your low views. As a small creator myself, I will not be happy if I'm posting and I'm not seeing views, of course, because the stress of the stress of editing I want to talk about, the stress of coming up with a video idea, how to bring everything together and all. It is not easy, and when you now upload it, you are seeing no view, or when you even upload it, you are seeing views, but later within 24 hours everything has died down. So I'll be talking about tips that you can use overcoming those low views after 24 hours when you upload your video. And even if you are not getting any views, you are just starting like me, these tips too, I'm also using it and I'm seeing results. Number one thing I'll first talk about is, are you optimizing your description? If you are not optimizing your description, it is really wrong. It will not help. So if you upload and you are seeing that you are getting low views, like you first get view, then later the view suddenly declines, that means you need to optimize your description, change your description. And you can actually use ChatGPT to optimize this description. I will share prompts that you can use. Like as I said in my last video, that I've watched a lot of these big YouTubers, what they told us to be using, the prompts they talked about, I will share it on the screen. This is it here. So you can copy it and be using it. Even if you're a beginner like me, you can use this strategy also. Copy and paste it on ChatGPT. It will give you well optimized description. So just delete the one that you have already posted that is not giving you view. Just delete that one, and the one that ChatGPT will now give you, just paste that one on your description. So that's the new one. Then save it. You see the results. And again, before I forget, make sure that the first two words in that description is well targeted. The first two words in that your description that ChatGPT will give you, make sure it is well targeted. Let it be keywords that is very important in that your video, in that your particular title. Number two that I will talk about again is optimization of tags. Are you optimizing your tags well? As I said in that my previous video, the first 4 tags that you must use must be very targeted. That particular tag must be targeted. Let it be a well targeted tags. And you can also use ChatGPT. If you see that that particular tag that you use is not really giving you view like the way you want it, change it. Put your title of your video, then put your niche. ChatGPT will give you a better optimized tags than the one used before. So use it like that. Number 3 that I will say is, even though you are using end screen before, make sure you are using it in the right way, in a better targeted way. The reason why I said this is, end screen on your old videos, you can add your new videos to it. People have already known your old videos, right? Just add your new videos to the end screen. Since people have already know your old videos, it will give you views and it will give you watch hour by using that method. What I'm saying is, all your videos that you know that you have views there, end screen of that video that is well known, add your new videos to the end screen of that well popular videos that you have. In that way, your recent videos will be getting views also. Number 4 that I'll talk about is, if you have short videos, make sure you add long for your short videos. By that, you'll be able to get views also. Number 5 that I talked about is updating your thumbnail. You have to update your thumbnail if you are not getting views like you want. That means that thumbnail that you put is not really okay. It's not clickable. That's why you need to know the method of, you need to know how you can put thumbnail, the strategy of creating thumbnail. You need to know it. how you can use clickable thumbnail to get more views. You can check that video out. I talked about so many things in that particular video. And again, for thumbnail, I will tell you, on the YouTube, if you want to upload now, there is a particular section. Let me just show that particular section on the screen. So this particular section, you can put different types of, like 3 different types of thumbnail. You can add it to it. It's like a test run. So YouTube give us that opportunity to add three types of thumbnails. You can add it to it. So YouTube give us that allowance of putting 3 thumbnails, so you can add different ones. So YouTube will be the one to test run it and take the one that is okay, that is doing well. I don't know how they do that, but just do it that way, post it that way, and you see the result. Number 6 I will talk about is your title. Let your title be clickable. Let your title be enticing. Know how to create title. ChatGPT also will help in creating titles for you. You can also use this prompt that we put on the screen. You can also use that one. All these prompts that I'm talking about, according to what I've been saying, I've watched all these big YouTubers videos. One of them said we can use this prompt. That's why I'm posting it also for you guys to copy. So you can also copy this prompt and be using it for your title. Also copy this prompt and be using it to generate your video titles. So for your title to be clickable, just follow this prompt. Type your original title to ChatGPT, followed by your niche and the audience you want to target. I'm showing it on the screen already, so just copy it and you can be using it also. So I hope you achieve 1 or 2 things I said in this video. So for you to get views, just try and change so many things on your video, re-optimize everything, and you start getting views back. I'll be sharing tips I'm learning every day. I'll be sharing it with you on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video.